How to transfer data from Samsung to Samsung if old phone is broken. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to transfer data from an old Samsung phone to a new one, even your old Samsung is broken. Whether it's a cracked screen or it won't turn at all, I'll show you practical ways to recover your photos, contacts, apps and more. Let's get started. 1. If your old phone was backed up to Samsung Cloud. On your new Samsung phone, go to Settings, Accounts and Backup, Samsung Cloud. Sign in with your Samsung account. Tap Restore Data. Choose the latest backup and select what you want to restore: photos, apps, contacts, and more. 2. If you used a Google account, during the setup of your new phone, follow these steps. Sign in with the same Google account. When prompted, choose your old phone's backup. Select the data you want to restore, like contacts, calendar, apps, and photos synced with Google Photos. 3. If the old phone turns on, but has a broken screen, use a USB-C to HDMI adapter to connect the phone to a TV or monitor. Plug in an USB mouse using an OTG adapter to control the phone. Open the Smart Switch app on both devices. Connect the phones via cable or Wi-Fi and follow the steps to transfer the data. 4. If the old phone doesn't turn it on and no backup exists, visit a Samsung Service Center or a professional data recovery service. They might still recover your internal data if the main board is intact. And that's it. That was a tutorial on how to transfer data from a broken Samsung phone to a new one. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next time.